Hello, kids. Welcome back. Today, we're going to learn about pronouns, the magic words that make our sentences shorter and easier. What are pronouns? Pronouns are words that take the place of nouns. Instead of repeating the same name again and again, we use pronouns. 7 types of pronouns: personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, relative pronouns, reflexive pronouns, indefinite pronouns. Personal pronouns. These talk about people or things. Subject pronouns. I, you, he, she. It, we, they. Ravi is a smart boy. Ravi loves to draw. Instead of saying Ravi again and again, use the pronoun he. Ravi is a smart boy. He loves to draw. It makes the sentence easier to read and sounds better. Object pronouns. Me, you, him, her, it, us, them. We saw Ali at the bus stop. Here, Ali is the object of the sentence. When a noun is the object, we use an object pronoun instead of repeating the name. We saw him at the bus stop. Possessive pronouns. These show ownership. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs, its. This book is mine. Demonstrative pronouns. These point to something. This, that, these, those. Look at those kites. Interrogative pronouns. These ask questions. Who, whose, whom, what, which. Who is knocking at the door? Relative pronouns. These connect parts of a sentence. Who, whom, whose, which, that. The car which is parked outside is mine. Reflexive pronouns. These point back to the person doing the action. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, themselves. I made this cake all by myself. Indefinite pronouns. These talk about people or things in general. Someone, anyone, everyone, nobody, something, anything, everything. Everyone is happy today. Great job, everyone. Today we learned about pronouns. The little words take the place of nouns, so we don't have to repeat names all the time. They make our sentences shorter, smoother, and easier to understand. Now it's your turn. Try making sentences with your favorite pronouns.